Hey everyone, it's your travel buddy Kuya Ken, and today we're taking a step back in time as we explore the beautiful and historic Las Casas Filipinas de Agusar here in Bagac, Bataan. So kung mahilig kayo sa history, architecture at Instagram-worthy spots, this is the place to be. Tara, samahan niyo ako. From Manila, mga 3 to 4 hours ang biyahe papunta rito. Kaya perfect siya for a weekend getaway or quick escape from the city life. Guys, sobrang ganda ng lugar, no? Every corner tells a story. Yung mga bahay na nakita nyo dito, authentic yan. Kinolekta and inayos from different provinces sa Pilipinas para ma-preserve ang history. Literal na time travel. Did you know, Las Casas is home to over 30 heritage houses? Grabe, para ka nag-field trip dito, pero ang sosyal, no? Alright guys, quick room tour tayo. Nag-stay kami sa standard room, good for 4 packs, and sobrang okay siya. Malinis, maliwalas, at super comfy ng beds. May 2 queen beds, aircon, hot and cold shower, at complete na rin ang basic amenities like toiletries, towels, and bottled water. Perfect for family and barkada. Sakto lang yung space, hindi masikip, and cozy pa rin yung place kahit 4 kayo, okay lang naman. May pagka-vintage din yung feels ng interiors pero may modern touch pa rin. And kung meron kayong inquiry, pwede naman kayong magpunta sa kanilang website sa lascasaspilipinas.com.
Almost 1 hour to 1.5 hours. But don't worry, it is not continuous walking because we are going to visit selected houses during our tour. Okay? Take care like this, and sometimes when it's not like this, okay? Yes. So again, this is called amphibi. Amphibi for when it's used by a woman.
After ng walking tour namin, pumunta kami dito sa La Bella Trodora Italian restaurant para mag-dinner. Ayan, makikita natin sobrang ganda rin ng interior nila.
Okay, ma'am.